On ClickBot, there's a free version and a paid version. The free version is you can visit sites, join channels, join bots and more, and earn tokens. So in this first example, the mission is engage with this website. If you're done, you will get the token B. So here you can join channels. The mission is here. You press the green button after joining the channel and you will earn tokens. Here you can press join bots. Here the mission is you engage with this Telegram bot. Press the green button, start it, and then forward any message from that bot here. And you will earn B tokens. If you press on more, you can choose many tasks for earning tokens like view post, Twitter rates, tweet to earn, B's airdrops. So there's much more to earn. Now hit the 3 dots and click deposit balance. Here you pay with the currency TRX, Tron. Now hit open wallet and here you can see how much balance I have. Press deposit and here you can choose any currency you like. Copy the deposit address and now you need to send the amount to this deposit address. After 6 till 8 minutes, the bot will receive your deposit and will swap it automatically to TRX. So now for the paid version, you go to advertise, or if you earn a lot of tokens from your task you did, the free versions. Here press the button create a new ad. Here it asks what would you like to promote, and for our referrals, link visits. Choose link visits. So now copy your referral link you want to promote. Example, the PiggyPiggy game, and paste it there and hit enter. Here it will ask you for the viewer how long the viewer need to force to stay on this website. You can choose 30 seconds or just 0 seconds. And here you can see cost per click is 0.0339 TRX. It's like 0.003 cents, I think. This is per view, not per click. Hit confirm. I'll create an engaging description for your ad. I will copy that from the PiggyPiggy game and paste it. Hit enter. Here it will ask you how much do you want to pay for each click. The minimum is 0.0339 TRX. I choose this one, the lowest one. Here will ask you what is your daily budget for this ad campaign. So you choose your daily budget for this. I choose like 10 TRX, it's like $1. Hit enter and done. Promotion created successfully. You created your first ad on Telegram. Congrats. So hit advertise again. And here you can click on edit geolocation. Here you can select the countries you want to target for your ads towards. So choose your country. I choose like Philippines and Nepal. Hit confirm. Okay, done. Now you can look at your status. It's active. Total clicks already, 38 total clicks. And spent today, you already spent 1.289 TRX. The link on ClickBot is in my video description. Go there and click the link and you will go and you will start the bot in Telegram. Have fun. So thanks for watching, and if you like to see more ton content, ton related and mini games, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification.